Hi guys, happy Halloween. Well, it's Halloween for me. I think I'm going to be uploading this on Friday. I wanted to start this vlog when I woke up at 5:45, but it is now almost noon and I've had the busiest day. I had to take my son, he has braces. I had to take him to go to the orthodontist. I had to run him all the way to school. Then I got home and I was gonna start like doing all my Halloween day prep and all that stuff, because we do kind of like a big Halloween trick-or-treat party at our house for all my little nephews and everybody. And I'm way behind. I've never been this unprepared at noon. Everybody comes over around 5 or 6, so I've got a lot to do. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me today, and you can kind of see how we do Halloween at my house. I've never watched myself decorate before, but it's kind of frustrating to watch myself do this because I'm kind of a slow decorator. Like, I like to kind of figure out what I'm doing. Right here I'm putting Post-its on all my platters of where the food's gonna go. I'm trying to see if I can get away with one table, but as you can see I end up with 2 because I do too much. I have that problem of just doing too much all the time. And here is my finished table. I got myself a little veggie tray. I'm gonna have stuffed pizza skulls. This is chili with little hot dog fingers in them, buffalo dip, my little apples. Good morning, you guys. I'm not even gonna pretend that I am not on that struggle bus this morning. I am so tired and worn out. I had so much fun last night trick-or-treating, and all my family came over and we had a trick-or-treating party at my house, and it was just so much fun. And I put the food away and then I went right to bed because I was just exhausted. So now I'm gonna do a day after party clean with me. So it is a mess, you guys. It's really bad. So this is the morning after, and I'm going to get it all cleaned up and back to normal, even though I really don't feel like doing anything. I am so tired. Done. Look at all these dishes. Oh my gosh, I dread this so much. Everything that I decorate with is pretty much from the Dollar Tree or like really cheap from Walmart, and I reuse pretty much everything in here except for the bat and the black tablecloths. Like even like the little bugs I'll put in a bag and reuse them, and like our spider webs I try to reuse. Like I pretty much reuse everything because I'm really cheap, and like, why not? As long as they don't get like food or like gross stuff on them, I'll put them in a plastic bag and put them in my little Tupperware container and stick it in the attic, and we'll use it next year.
We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
Here I am taking all the little batteries out of the battery operated things so that we can store them for another year. And we use rechargeable batteries, which is like a lifesaver. I decided to switch up my chargers and my table settings to do a little bit more of a harvesty Thanksgiving vibe, and I had to put my Friday mug up since this video is going up tomorrow on a Friday.
From town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I feel like a hero getting through all these dishes. Oh my goodness. Even looking at them in the sink right now is like giving me anxiety. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday.